Hi everyone, today I wanna tell you about my experience at the zoo. I saw a red panda, a very cute and fluffy animal with a long tail. He stays mostly in the shade or climbs trees. It has a bushy long tail and it looks like a raccoon, but it's more gentle. Then I saw a sloth hanging from trees and eating a banana. He moved very carefully and slow. After that, I went to the butterfly center. It looked like walking into a magical garden where the butterflies flied free all around me. They were very colorful. Some had gray colors, some had orange or mixed ones, landing on flowers very gently and light. The butterflies are very important for the ecosystem because they pollinate flowers. I stood still and one even landed on my hand. I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye from Rosie.